Hey guys, Susie here. Thanks for tuning in today. And today I'm sharing with you guys a Dollar General haul. I just got done going to Dollar General not that long ago. And yeah, I picked up quite a few things in here. So I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. It's not a big haul. It's a little small. But I know you guys really enjoy seeing the types of things that I pick up when I go shopping. And I like Dollar General because you can get quite a lot of good deals in there. So yeah, I'm gonna get through this kind of quickly because there's something hurting my eye today, and it's been hurting my eye like all morning. It's really starting to get on my nerves, but anyway, let's start out. I ripped the bag because I had this bag tied closed because I had it in the car and I didn't want everything spilling out, so that's why the bag looks all disheveled. So one of the things I got was this paper towel holder. We already had one, but it was a silver color and it started getting old and kind of rusting and stuff. So I got this one. It's more of like a bronze color, so I think this will look really good in our kitchen, and it was $4, which I think is a pretty decent price for something for your kitchen. I also picked up this Suave Naturals hairspray, and I think this was $3 there. Not too bad. I have not tried this yet, but I'm looking for a good new hairspray, and I do not like the White Rain one that I got at Dollar Tree at all, so I'm definitely going to just throw that away. I just do not like it. So I'm going to give this one a go and see if I like this one. And then I also picked up some K-Cups in there. I picked up this Clover Valley hazelnut flavored light roast coffee K-Cups. There's 12 of them in here, and they were about $4, which I think is a pretty decent price. So I picked these up to take to work for my coffee in the mornings. They had French vanilla flavor, but it was the McDonald's brand, which I like, but it was $7. So I just went with the Clover Valley, and I think I'm going to like it. So I've never tried the Clover Valley coffee before, but I'm sure it's the same. And then I also picked up these Mr. Clean 2 pairs of dishwashing gloves. These are orange and yellow, I think. So that's really nice. We needed some of these for in the house. I picked up these Ocello foam scrubbers, non-scratch. 2 of these for washing dishes. I picked up some of this Olay bar soap, the Olay Ultra Moisture bar soap. There's 2 of them in here. This is really good and moisturizing. I think this was about, I think it was like 3 something, so that's not too bad either. Also, I picked up these Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel little toilet stamp things. There's 2 of them in here. This is a 2-month supply, and it was $4, so that's not too bad. Also, I picked up the Swiffer dusters. There's 5 dusters and 1 handle in here, and they have the Gain scent. This was $5 there. Not too bad. I love using these to dust, so I picked that up. I picked up this Neutrogena oil-free acne wash face soap. $5. I've used this before, and I really like it for washing my face. And I picked up this Yankee Candle car air freshener in the vanilla cupcake scent. This was also $5, and I really like these. They actually last for a while. They're really nice. And then the last thing I picked up is this big candle. It's white ginger and amber scent, and it's infused with essential oils. It also has 2 wicks in here, which is really nice, and it burns nice and evenly. And it has a really nice kind of spicy, kind of amber, but a kind of fresh scent as well from the ginger. And this was $5 for this big candle. So that's everything I picked up. I hope you guys enjoy this Dollar General haul, and be sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.